This, my friends, is a milk run. A cakewalk. A walk in the park. Walk in the sun. Piece of cake. All we gotta do is get some diesel and get back on the boat.
Don't jinx us, Nick.
All right, weapons.
Reload.
Free food. Always use these.
I'm gonna reload.
I never thought I'd miss a gun so much.
I'll be a sniper like in the movies.
Yes.
Next gas, 2 miles. Oh, shit.
Looks like we're gonna have to walk to this Ducatel place.
You are on fire.
Reloading.
No, you didn't.
My ass.
Hey, doesn't that feel good?
Oh, hell yeah.
Reloading. To some amusement spot.
Hey, behind us, Joel, behind us!
Heads up. Watch out.
To that playground.
Nice job.
Reloading!
Heads up.
I owe you one.
Reloading!
Look out now! Hey, watch out!
I'm gonna try this scope out.
Hey, defib unit here. First aid kit here.
Hang in there. Few more seconds.
First aid kit here.
That was cool.
Hey, watch out for landmarks. Maybe coming through here in a hurry on the way back.
Grabbing a pipe bomb. Right on here.
Hang in there. I'm on the way. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hang on.
Rogue, that was a nice shot.
We're really doing this.
Dead.
Ooh.
Hey, look out!
Reloading!
All right.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Hello.
We can cut through this garage sale.
All right. Kick ass.
I told you it'd feel good. Reloading.
Reloading. Heads up.
Got him.
Nice.
Reloading.
Thanks. Hold on. I'm coming. Yeah.
Reloading!
Look out. Watch out.
Hey, I'm reloading.
I'm sorry.
following us. I'm a reload.
We're making it look easy.
First aid kit here.
Why, yes. Throwing a pipe bomb! I wasn't thinking. Of course.
There's the sugar mill.
Girl,
I wasn't thinking.
listen.
Shit, we are all right.
Down for 1 minute.
In here.
Yes.
That's better. I'm on the way!
This way. Oh, back it up.
Heads up! Hang in there, a few more seconds!
Molotov! Run! God damn it.
Listen,
Look out!
if you let your guard down for 1 minute, we all pay the price.
Heads up!
Wait.
Watch out!
That ain't right.
My ears smoking.
Reloading. Hey, I'm reloading. This ain't right.
Watch out!
I'm not lying, this hurts.
Reloading! Girl, what
I
are
wasn't
you
thinking.
doing? Yes. Listen, if you let your guard
I'ma
down
reload.
for 1 minute,
No!
we all pay the price. Reloading!
That'll hold me. Oh, man. Oh, man. Throwing a pipe bomb. Oh, shit. Look out. See? Don't that feel good?
That ramp.
Okay. Yes, we are vampires. All of us are vampires. God damn it! Go!
Man, that is the most witches I've ever
I saw this many crying women without a yes. Adrenaline shot here.
I need to reload. Don't you reckon we should move on now? Let's roll.
Girl, what are you doing? Listen. Let your guard down for
Yes.
Nope. Hey, I'm gonna reload.
Nice work.
These here zombies are trying to kill me.
Reloading. Oh, hell yeah!
I need to reload. I think I really heard something. I don't mean to be cursing myself, but I think I'm gonna die.
There's a smoker around here.
Watch out! Look out!
I need to reload. Hurt so bad I don't even...
Gas station through the cane field.
We can take it. Yeah, I'm ready already.
Wait.
I don't think so. Sure. Hold on,
I hit it. Grenade! Charger around. Over there. Much obliged, much obliged.
Man, that's a lot of wood.
Man, I'm gonna start crying in a minute.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Hey, we should get going, man.
No game. Hey, man, hold up. Healing. this one.
Screw this! Tits! Oh, ho, ho! Kneel. Hang on, you need this more than me.
Throwing a pipe
Pipe
bomb.
bomb out.
Nope. I got a pipe bomb.
You can handle this. Woo! Kick ass!
How you doing?
Asshat!
Grenade!
Heads up!
Hills here! Fire!
There's gas in the safe room. Get inside. Bro, son of a bitch. We got it. We got it. Let's hump it back to the boat.
Hey, Ellis, that health kit ain't gonna use itself.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, nice job.
First aid here.
Oh, all better now.
Throwing a pipe bomb!
First aid kit here. I got this for you, man.
How bad do these storms get?
Weapons over here.
Yes.
Don't nobody wander off. Thanks a lot.
All that sugar. It's a damn shame. All that sugar. It's a goddamn tragedy is what it is.
That's what I'm here
All
for.
that sugar.
Appreciate it, Nick.
It's a damn shame.
Much obliged. I hear
We
spinning.
can take the elevator back up.
Asshole!
Much obliged.
You first. Son of a bitch.
Gotta keep it tight.
Oh, man, I'm hurting.
Oh, shut up.
Mother... God damn!
Come on. Gotta keep up, gotta keep up.
Back down the stairs. Wall starting, people.
Don't wander off. are taking charge.
This way.
Shit!
I call foul!
I hear a
Well,
truck.
pigs!
Wait here.
Hang in there, I'm coming.
Hey, I need some help over here!
Gentlemen, I need some help.
Help! See? Don't that feel good?
Well, sorry. No. Is this some kind of sick joke? Sure thing.
Son of a beast. This hurts.
Okay, don't mean to bother y'all, but I need some help. Oh, man! Hey, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
You're screwed. Oh, wait. I owe you one.
That girl sounds like a witch.
Turn your flashlights off.
Down there.
This is some grim shit we gotta listen to.
Is this some kind of sick joke?
Bro,
Yo, Nick.
for sure.
I'm so bad I don't even see right.
I'm down! Hey, over here!
This is getting serious as a heart attack.
Yes. No. Yeah. Yes.
Lead on. Yep. Lead on, you dove. Lead on. Right behind you. Lead on, smart guy. I'm right behind you. Lead on.
Hey.
Over there.
Man.
Who am I sneaking around? I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you.
I'm down.
I think. Just screw your odds.
Got some chest battles. Work. Damn.
Bullshit. Damn.
Dude, was I just dead there? Oh, man.
Man said there was nothing to worry about.
Hey, we should get going, man.
Oh, that sugar.
Don't wander off. Gotta reload.
out!
Shit, need a hand.
Help! 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 I need some help!
Help me up already!
Easy.
Yes.
Bastards.
Go down again, and that's it.
Thanks,
Always
man.
count on you, bro.
Y'all,
Hell, I don't
y'all, I'm hurt.
Hey, thanks.
Right behind. I'm here.
Hey, I'm here. You are on fire!
Every goddamn thing is flooded.
Here, you can have this.
Always.
That is what we are
Reloading.
here for.
Let's roll.
No.
Stick to the high ground.
Hell,
You ready?
Yes.
all right. Go for it. Barbecue, bacon, burger. All food with no icing. Always leaping on your back.
Reloading! Reloading!
I owe you one. Hey, y'all done good.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Nope. Reloading. Girl,
Here's that horse body we passed on the way in.
Listen,
let your guard down. 1 minute.
Hey, much obliged.
the yard sale. We're going the right.
Yippers.
Yeah, I'm ready. Y'all ready?
Storm coming! Look out now!
Ready?
Hey, man, hold up. Healing.
Y'all ready?
Roger! Stop running!
Get out. Join the Molotov. Boys, I'm down. Someone help me.
I'm down! Help!
Much obliged.
Come on now.
Hey, I owe you one.
Thanks.
Ain't gonna happen.
Hey,
Explain.
let's go.
No. Crazy. No.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, yeah.
We got Molotovs.
Right. Way to go. Way to go.
Pipe bomb.
Help is coming. Hang on.
Else.
Pipe bomb here.
Grabbing a pipe bomb.
Molotov here.
Look out.
Storm!
Stay close. Heads up.
You are taking
Fire.
charge.
Reload!
Look, I'm mother.
Why didn't you? Much obliged. Why didn't you grab them? Pretty much everybody. Pretty much everybody.
Yeah, the gas station's right across the street. They're all in there and back down there.
I owe you one. Much obliged.
There's
This
the
ain't
rat.
Watch
right.
out.
Move it. Go.
Reloading. Shit.
Run!
Look out.
Got it.
Hold ain't far. Shoot it.
This is getting serious. Sorry, man. I'm trying to keep up.
Reloading. Didn't even get to know you, kid.
Don't forget to close it. Come on, I'm in a hurry.
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
We can signal the boat with a burger tank sign.
All right, sounds like a plan. Gas is just for you.
Can always count on you. You crazy?
Grenade.
First aid kit here.
Try again, champ.
With no ice and a piece of
Come on, keep
I'm
moving on.
coming.
God damn, I missed burger tank.
Hold on. I'm coming.
Reload!
We can turn on the sign from the roof.
All right. Oh, yeah. Rise, fellow. Sitting atop the food pyramid, passing judgment on all the lesser people.
Sorry, no.
Woo! Keep that up and we are out of here.
Reloading!
Healing.
Time to move. Lead on.
No.
Storm coming.
yourself up. You are
Nah,
on
man.
fire today.
Hey, there's pipe bomb right here.
Dumb shit.
I'm down!
You alright? You'll be alright.
I'm down! Hey, I need some help over here.
Shit, just get up, get up.
Oh, oh,
I owe you one. Much obliged.
Don't even start.
Okay, hang on. I'm really hurt.
Hang in there, I'm coming.
Wait a second. I gotta heal. That fixed me up real good.
Hey! Chase this!
Grabbing a pipe bomb. Hear that, Charger?
Watch out!
Goddamn, Annie,
I'ma reload.
Look.
Tank inbound.
Move it! Let's go, people!
All right,
Go,
weapons.
move.
Throwing a Molotov. Chase this. Molotov.
Hey, look at this here.
Hey, don't stop running.
Folks here.
Busing me, let me hear you.
Don't get to the boat.